The American ultra-luxury EV landscape just got a lot more interesting and a lot more expensive. Move over Cadillac Celestiq because a new name is entering the ring. Dacora Motors, a New York-based startup aiming to redefine what luxury means in the electric vehicle world. While it's an ambitious goal, and there are many questions still unanswered, one thing's certain: this isn't your average EV launch. At the center of the buzz is Decora's first model, an ultra-luxurious, retro-futuristic EV with a price tag starting at $500,000. According to the company, reservations have already exceeded 150% of their planned first-year production capacity. That might sound impressive until you realize that we don't yet know how many cars they plan to build. Still, it's clear the model has caught the attention of luxury buyers hungry for something radically different. Let's talk about design. If you asked an AI to merge a 1930s luxury cruiser with a modern Volkswagen Beetle, you might land close to what Decora has created. But this design wasn't made by AI. It was developed in collaboration with the iconic Pininfarina Group, known for crafting automotive masterpieces. The vehicle pays homage to the streamlined Moderna aesthetic of the 1930s, featuring bold, bulging fenders, a handcrafted wood hood, circular headlights, and afterburner-style taillights. The ride height is unusually SUV-like at 7.5 inches, adding to its quirky blend of elegance and practicality. Inside, the luxury only gets more unconventional. Decora is ditching plastic and replacing it with wood, woven wool, and toxin-free bioleathers. Unlike most modern vehicles that are dominated by digital screens, this cabin opts for a cleaner look. In fact, the digital display can disappear behind a semi-transparent wooden panel when not in use. The infotainment content appears to be projected onto wood, making this one of the most unique dashboard setups in any EV on the market. Decora's philosophy is to treat the interior like a wardrobe. The company envisions offering twice-yearly material drops that let customers change their cabin's textures and colors with the seasons. Wool for winter, linen for summer, and special limited edition trims for other times of the year. It's a modular approach to car interiors that we've never quite seen before. And the customization doesn't end there. Buyers can configure the cabin to seat between 3 and 7 passengers. The high-end executive layout features a rear lounge setup with personal workstations. There are also wild center console options that include a humidor, espresso machine, and even a bonsai tree under a glass dome. Traditional luxury touches like a biometric safe and a mini fridge are also available. Powertrain options include a fully electric setup promising over 800 horsepower and a range of around 400 miles. Decora claims the nearly 6,500-pound beast can hit 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, an astonishing feat if true. For buyers not ready to go full electric, there's also talk of a hybrid variant, though specifics remain vague. Each unit will be hand-built at Decora's 100-acre Hudson Valley Garage campus in New York. The company has opened reservations with a $50,000 refundable deposit, but with a base price of $500,000, it clearly targets a niche clientele, those seeking exclusivity and artistry in their vehicles. While Cadillac's Celestiq starts at $340,000 and brings all the credibility of General Motors to the table, Decora is betting big on the appeal of ultra-personalized craftsmanship and bold retro design. Time will tell whether Decora can deliver on its lofty promises, but one thing's for sure: the battle for America's most luxurious EV just got a fascinating new player.